बरसगीर के मुसलमानों के दिलों की धड़कन बैरिस्टर मोहम्मद अली जना। आपने दो टोक अल्फाज में शमाल मगरबी और शमाल मशरकी सूबों में मुसलमानों के लिए अलहदा वतन का मुतालबा किया।
There are two major nations, the Hindus and Muslims. 100 millions of Muslims cannot be characterized as a minority. We are 70 millions in the northwestern and northeastern zones of India. We constitute a majority of 70% against the caste Hindus in these homelands of ours. We want the division of India into Hindustan and Pakistan because that is the only practical solution.
आपने क़याम पाकिस्तान के लिए दो कौमी नजरिए को बुनियाद बनाया और अंग्रेज हुक्मरानों पर वाज़े किया कि मुसलमानों के लिए मुत्तहिदा हिंदुस्तान कतन कबूल नहीं होगा।
Hindu India and Muslim India must be separated because the two nations are entirely distinct and different and in some matters antagonistic to each other. We differ in our history, culture, language, architecture, music, laws, jurisprudence, calendar and our entire social fabric and code of life.
आपने वाशगाफ अल्फाज में कहा कि अलहदा वतन का मतलब मुसलमानों की अपनी सरजमीन और अपनी हुक्मरानी है। हिंदू या अंग्रेज हुक्मरान हमारे लिए नापसंदीदा हैं।
One India is impossible realization. It will inevitably mean that the Muslim will be transferred from the domination of the British to the caste Hindu rule, a position that Muslim will never accept. As an all-India minority, we shall be under the rule of the permanent Hindu majority of about 3-1, which will virtually mean one nation ruling another by means of ballot box. The writ and fiat of such a government will neither command respect nor acceptance and allegiance, and such a government will therefore be impossible. You are only voicing my sentiments and the sentiments of millions of Muslims when you say that Pakistan should be based on sure foundations of social justice and Islamic socialism, not otherism. That Pakistan should be based on sure foundations of social justice and Islamic socialism, not otherism.